Hey, and welcome to Jobsuit. My name is Nicholas, and I'm the co-founder of Jobsuit AI. And I would like to welcome you to the platform and give you a quick demo of how you can get started. Now, there are two very important things that I like to focus on in this video that will get you ready to use the platform. So first, let's get started. Now, once you've arrived to the platform, you'll be able to see one of these two options. You can either build your resume from scratch, or you can import your resume and upload an existing one. In this video, I'm just going to be uploading a fake resume I've made just to show you exactly how it works. Now, pick one of these resume templates that you like. In this case, I'm going to be picking the standard template just because I like it a lot. Click apply, then write down your resume name. I'm going to write down as Nicholas resume. Then I'm going to upload a fake resume I've made and click continue. Now, just give it a couple of seconds. And as you can see, you're able to write down what kind of job you are targeting for. In this case, I'm going to be applying for a software engineer position. So let's do that. Click continue. Now, as you can see, you'll have your own onboarding session on the left here. So just follow it, click preview, see how our AI chatbot works. As you can see, we've told the AI to change the name to John Doe. And as you can see on the right, here's how it changes the resume. If you like the suggestion, just click accept and it will directly change it for you. Once you've done that, just click next. Now, as you can see here, you'll have two options to either analyze or tailor your resume to a real job. I highly recommend analyzing your resume first, so let's do that. Just click this button and just give it a couple of seconds. Alright, so now the analysis is finished, and as we can see, you'll be able to get a resume score and a bunch of feedback for each section of your resume. Now, just follow this guide, see how you're getting your own score. In this case, I got a 66 out of 100. And once you're finished with that, you can tailor your resume to a real job. But let's take a look at how the analysis will look like, first of all. Now, to get this score higher, you just have to fix each of these mistakes. So let's take a look at the first step, contact and profile completeness. Now, as you can see here, there are auto fixes and best practices. As you can see, the AI has told us to format our phone number properly, now, and standardize state abbreviation. Now, in this case, if you like the suggestion here, just click apply changes. And as you can see, the AI automatically edits the resume. If you like the suggestion, you can just click accept. Now, just do the same for the rest of the other sections, but that's just a brief outline on how the auto apply actually works. Now, let's take a look at the second step as well as the third step. Now, this step is analyzing our summary. You'll see an overall assessment of how it looks like for your summary and recommended summaries and areas to improve. Now, one of the really cool features with our platform is that you can actually chat with our AI to fix all of these mistakes. Now, for example here, the AI is telling us that our skill and impact is a bit too understated, so we have to make it even more relevant. Now, in that case, just click fix with AI, and our AI will be asking you questions to gather more information from you so that it can edit your resume better. Now, as you can see here, just read through the question. Which specific achievement should we emphasize most in the summary? It gives us a recommendation. So in this case, let's answer A. And then for question 2, should we include Go language in the summary? Let's just say, yeah, A as well. Or for example, B. Yeah. So I'm gonna answer it this. And as you can see, it will just take all of my information and it will edit your resume based on your answer. Yeah. So if you like the suggestion, just click accept. You can do the same thing for the rest of the analysis, but there are several different analysis that we look. For example, here with the experience, our AI will take a look at each of your work experience and will tell you like how you can improve it even better. For example, you can highlight specific technologies and tools in your experience in Google. You can showcase your leadership metrics. In Microsoft, you could elevate role title to reflect your growth, quantify cloud migration impact, and etc. And with each of this, you can literally just click fix with AI. Then our AI will ask you questions, and based on your answers, it will edit your resume again. Yeah. So it's really, really cool. Basically, it just makes the overall process so much simpler and easier for all of you guys to, fix your resume and build your resume at all. So yeah, just tell the AI whatever you want to do with the resume, and it will edit your resume directly for you. So yeah, once you've done with all of this, just remember to format your resume properly, analyze your formatting, and see how it can be improved. And once you've also fixed the formatting issues, then you could don't forget to rescore your summary as well. So in this case, the resume is perfect. There are no areas to improve. So just rescore your resume, and you'll see how your score may have improved or stays the same. So yeah, very, very simple. If you guys have any questions about this, you can always let us know. We are always available on Discord in our email. But now, yeah, as you can see here, our score has improved to 69. Yeah. Now, other than that, once you're done with the resume analysis, don't forget to look at step 4 for the keyword match. Now, with the keyword match, this step basically lets you know how you can get started with our tailoring feature. Now, this is an example job description for a software engineer, and it tells you like what kind of keywords are usually comes up in like software engineer job descriptions. So for example, here, as you can see, here's how it will look like, and these are the missing important keywords in your resume. So let's fix that directly by clicking Start Tailoring now. Now, just give it a couple of seconds, and as you can see, there are missing keywords found. These are the keywords that you're missing, and let's press this. Now, as we can see, we can take a look that your resume is missing the keyword technical leadership, and we're gonna be adding this keyword to this bullet point. Here's how it will look like after the keyword has been added. If you like the suggestion, then just click accept, yeah, and it will directly edit your bullet point. So very, very cool. Now, as you can see here, you could tailor your resume to a real job description after the tutorial, but let's try to go through the tutorial first. Yep. As you can see here, the next keyword is cross-functional collaboration, and it's adding this keyword to this bullet point. If you like the suggestion that's being made, here you can just click accept directly. Yeah, and see how it will look like. If you like the suggestion here and how it looks like, just click accept, and it will directly edit your resume. Now, as you can see, there are different categories on how our tailoring works. They are the modification, contextual match, not applicable. So yeah, you can go try it out yourself and see how it works. In our contextual match, our AI will be asking you questions first. You can answer it here, and it will give you suggestions on how you can add this keyword directly to your resume. On the other hand, if it is not applicable, then you could just fix with AI and see how our AI is asking you questions. Just answer the questions directly, and it will edit your resume as well. So very, very cool. So let's try tailoring your resume to a real job description this time. Now, I found a job here in LinkedIn. So I'm going to be tailoring my resume to this software engineering job in REA. So let's copy the job description. Then let's go back to the platform and click tailor to another job. And let's add a job and paste the job description here. Click format job details. Just give it a couple of seconds and click add job. Then click create new resume and pick tailor from base resume, or you could duplicate your current resume. In this case, I'm just going to tailor my resume from scratch and see how it goes. Once you've gone to this page, just click tailor resume. Now, just give it a couple of seconds again. Alright. So, yep. Now the tailoring analysis is finished, and here are all of the keywords that are important. As you can see here, software development is important, collaboration, technical guidance, React, Node.js, and etc. So, just do the same thing again for the rest of the keywords like before. Just click accept if you like the suggestion that it makes, and see how it's editing your resume directly. And do the same thing for the rest as well. Yeah, very, very cool. You could even, fix with AI with the skills reinforcement and answer the questions on the AI chatbot again. So very, very simple. If you have any questions, you can always just let us know again, and we're happy to help. But other than that, the reason why this is very important is that we're really aligning your resume to exactly what the recruiters are looking for to really boost your chances of landing that interview as much as possible. Yeah. Now, other than that, to finish off the tutorial, you could also check out other templates here like before, or you could even change the formatting if you want by, changing the heading size. You could change the body size as well. You could adjust the spacing, reorder sections as you can see here, and yeah, adjust it to how you would like. You could even play with the margins, for example, left and right, and yeah, very, very simple. Other than that, if you want to edit your resume, you could also edit it directly here, and play around with it as well. And you could also manually edit it directly on the left section here and play around with our bullet point improvement, re-ranking features, right, with AI, and etc., etc. But that's for another video instead. And yeah, as you can see here, very, very cool. It's really just asking you like how, really gathering as much information from you to really make your resume really good. Other than that, our platform, we also have a job application tracker feature. You can track what jobs you've applied to before. And there's also a cover letter feature that you can try out yourself. If you have any questions, let us know in our Discord community. You can join our Discord community here and follow us on our community. But other than that, that's all for this tutorial. Hopefully this will be able to help all of you out in using our platform. Other than that, thank you so much for being part of our community. Our goal is to help people with landing their dream jobs, and we really do hope that Jobsuit will be able to do that for you. If you have any questions, just email us at team@jobsuit.ai or join our Discord community by clicking the button I showed you earlier. Other than that, I hope everyone have a wonderful day and good luck. Bye bye.